Hello friends! Welcome back to my new video. If you find it difficult to sew a perfectly straight stitch, then today's video is just for you. I'll show you an easy technique to sew straight every time. And I'll also share a helpful tool that makes it even easier. So watch the video until the end. If you enjoy it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I hope this video helped you learn how to sew perfectly straight stitches with confidence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.